guys, shout out. Welcome back to my channel guys, Summer Mix Vlogs. Ayan, our video for today guys is gagawa tayo ng mango float. Ayan. Meron tayong crushed graham guys. Ayan, dinikdik ko lang siya. Tapos yung ating biskwit. Yung biskwit, ayan. Yung mangga, ni-slice ko na guys. At ito, yung ating gatas. Ayan. Ayan guys, ayan na yung ating mango float. Ayan. Tapos na guys, nailagay na natin sa Tupperware. Ayan. Ayan, thank you for watching guys. God bless us all. Thank you for watching.